It'll be on YouTube, man. Put the camera over here once.
Hey, man, look. Man. Listen here, man.
I'll leave that playing just so they can see that in the back.
That's Hundo. Hundo.
You want your shit to look like that.
Like this.
I'm going to need 350 at least.
350.
Starting 2 scenes on top of the first initial scene for the 350, we'll kill it at 503 scenes, 3 hours. Fuck with me. Your shit will come out like that in a week. I could do it in 2 days, but I'm a lazy nigga. I'm going to keep it real. Alright,
cause this shit going on YouTube, just so you know, motherfucker.
Oh, yeah.
So anything else you wanna let the people know you got going on about your open mic situation that you got at Brooklyn's? Promote your shit.
They should know all that shit. My name is Lil 100. Motherfucker, if you don't know, now you know. Oh, my mama, man.
Hey, but shout out to the Lil 100, man. Hey, you want your shit to look like this?
Hey, no, for real, man. The beat, motherfucking, the video, the recording, all that shit, man. One stop shop. Act like you know. We do all that shit, man. I got some new shit I'm working on right now. Y'all can check that shit. I plug on my beats too.
This man is working. See, niggas don't even know they catching that cameo look. Green screen.